You bought a Trico Force wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to properly install the Trico Force wiper blade onto a 22mm push-button arm. First, determine whether you have a wide or narrow push-button wiper arm by measuring it with a penny. A penny will fit snugly into the end of the wide 22mm wiper arm. It will not fit into the end of the narrow 19mm arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs for the pre-attached adapter. Using your index fingernails, pull both release tabs toward you. The pre-attached adapter will tilt toward you and disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC and position it so that the release tabs face up. Tilt adapter BC back into the cavity in the blade until it clicks in place. Both release tabs must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. While keeping the blade adapter parallel to the wiper arm, hold your thumb on the front of the adapter and pull the blade into the underside of the arm. The button on the top of the adapter must lock into the hole on the top of the arm. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.